Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today guys, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these new LED lights that have just been released by this guy called Jacksaccessories. I can't wait to show them to you guys. We're going to be taking out the old ones and we're going to be putting the fresh new ones in. Make sure you guys go check him out down below. The links will all be in the description to his page. Make sure you go cop them because these are fire and I can't wait to show them to you guys. So without further ado, let's not waste any more time and let's get right into this video guys. Let's go. Yeah guys, this video is all about the LED lights he's just released and we're just going to be going over them, seeing what they're like. I'm going to give my honest opinion and just see exactly how these work, how good they are, and are they worth the price. And to be honest guys, £10.99 for some LED lights, that is so good. You don't understand, that is gas for some LED lights. And they even go along with the music, so like the colours will change when it's like got big basses in the music, or when there's someone like sings and then it goes to a different word, it will change colour of the lights. And also guys, if there is anything you like or dislike about these LED lights down below, or what you think could be better about them, then let us know down below. We love your feedback guys. And yeah, let's give this 100% honest review. I'm not going to just mess you guys around. We're going to see if it's 100% worth it. And without further ado, let's go. Let's check this out. It's the next day and we have got, it just came in the post today, the Jacksaccessories LED lights. Honestly guys, the logo for a start just looks sick. If only my car looked like this, that would be mad, but unfortunately it doesn't. Maybe one day. This is the box. And not gonna lie mate, you've done a pretty sick job of the box. So whatever the LEDs look like, I'm sure they're gonna look good. So let's take the old ones out. We can get rid of these dusty things. There's just wires everywhere. Honestly, that's the only problem with these, is the wires, they just go everywhere. But let's go and install the better version of what I've got. Alright guys, so we've got the box here and we're just going to open it up. And as you can see in there, we've got a new transmitter just here, which is connected to all the wires. And of course, we have got the new LEDs with the double-sided tape on there. These ones, which is something I like about it as well, is they bend. So you can like bend them in place. Like the other ones, you just couldn't do that with them. They're just like hard plastic. These, like you can just see, they're like flexible. And you don't have to waste your time peeling this tape off. It's double-sided tape, but they've done the start for you. All you have to do is rip it off here and just stick it on, and you can get it. Like you could even put it up there if you really wanted to. Obviously I'm not, I'm gonna put it under the back seats and at the front dash. But yeah, these are actually sick, to be fair. They're waterproof as well. Not that your car should be getting wet guys, but just putting it out there. And if we just put these to one side, we've got a remote as well, which is got on and off. Obviously you can turn the brightness up and down. If it's too bright, turn it down obviously. You've got a range of different colors. We've got red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan, which looks a bit like turquoise, and purple. We've also got two different jump options, so the lights jump around. We've got jump 3 and jump 7. And we've also got fade 3 and fade 7, so we've got two of those as well. 4 different options of, I'm not too sure what they are at the moment, but just on there, you can see at the bottom, they've got notes, like song notes. I reckon that's for the way it like jumps around. If I just pull that out, we've got the wire that goes into the transmitter, just here. And poster as well. So already I'm impressed, to be fair. And it just plugs into the cigarette lighter, that's it. I'm just gonna plug it in to here, just like that. And then we get the wire, plug it into the transmitter, and that is the sensor. Point the remote towards it to make it work. So if we just go like that, here they are guys when they are turned on. Alright guys, so let's go and get these stuck on the car and see what they look like in day versus nighttime. Alright guys, so all we're doing is we're just going to work out which area will be best and more flexible for these to go, and then all we're going to do is peel the tape off when we have found an exact place. And obviously these can literally go anywhere. You could literally put them under your car if you wanted to because they're waterproof. I'm just going to do the interior ones today, so I reckon these two at the front. Peeling the tape off guys, so it's sticky, as you can see there. So you just want to go for the bit that has got the most plastic to it guys, so you don't get it on like the cotton, because then obviously it won't stick. And you want to make sure the pattern of the plastic as well isn't too like texture, like I can't like too much shapes on it in like a sense, so it doesn't stick. Out of all of it guys, you want to try and find metal. That is the best way to go. So that is where I've installed it guys, just behind the glove box. As you can see, it closes down. That's the part of the glove box too, and then just behind on this like little bit of plastic that is connected to, it's just a perfect size, goes right across. But that is where the first one is, and just basically wrap it round. Like that, push it through, and that's it. Just going to stick it on again. Make sure as well the wires aren't this way, because then it's got to go between your legs and it's just going to make it such a pain for you. So make sure it is like this, so it's going towards the left side. Basically what I've had to do, because I've got nowhere to put it because of that hole you can see there, basically as you can just kind of see there, the LED light is just behind there. Don't know if you can see, but it's just there guys. And obviously with the wire, there's a little gap there, like you can just hide it like that, so it's just perfectly, because these wires are thinner as well than the original ones, it just makes it a lot easier. So obviously you can't even see that apart from the top there, but look, you just cover that again, it's gone. So that's that one done. So let's just turn the car on and just get an example if we can actually see it. As you can see there guys, it is flashing, so it is working. This side is working as well, and you can just tell already it's just so much brighter than the original ones. I reckon in the dark it's just going to look so much cleaner than the original ones. The old ones, don't get me wrong, they were nice, but they just wasn't bright enough, whereas these, they're like, this isn't even at the highest setting as well, which is actually mad. So when it's darker, you could literally, the whole car is pretty much going to light up basically. But now we've done the ones at the front, let's move on to the back ones. The only thing I do want to say, and this is just one, so out of 10, just 1% off. The only thing that I think that was better with the original LED lights is that it came with extra sticky pads. So if this just came with like 3 or 4 extra sticky pads for, like, say if you like messed it up and it like went on the like a floor mat and then all of the cotton got stuck to it, you can't reuse it and it's not going to stick. I guess you can use glue, but you don't want to ruin your car interior. So if it just came with extra sticky pads, I think that would just complete the whole product, and then it'd be like a 10 out of 10 then. But that is literally so good to say there's only one thing that could be better with it, do you know what I mean? But let's go and install them on the back. I'm so impressed with this so far, so I definitely think you guys should go down below and go cop these LED lights. They're literally £10.99. That is actually so good for car LED lights. Normally they're like 15-20 quid, but this is a good deal. And not being funny, I paid £15 for the original ones and they're nowhere near as good as this one. And one day I want to install some underneath the car. I don't want to go like over the top, but I want to go like front, back and sides, just so it gives it that complete look. I just want to make it look as nice as it can get. So now that those two are in, We can literally just tuck that into there now and leave that behind. So the ones at the back, we're just going to stick underneath the seats. We're not going to stick them on these ones here, but we're going to stick them. There's a tray, I don't know if you guys know about this, but there's a tray in the Corsa. Not a lot of people actually know about this, but then it has like a little box that comes with it as well. But on the back of this tray, there's like a smooth, it's even smoother than that, and it hasn't got any writing on it. I don't think so anyway. So we'll just stick it onto the back of that. Obviously, when you're pulling the tray, make sure you have enough wire so that it doesn't snap the LED off, because obviously you don't want that. The other side is a bit of a struggle because there's not really anywhere to stick it because there's no tray like on the left side. What I did last time is I just stuck it next to the handbrake, just down here. So let's pull this seat forward and pull this one forward too. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this. And remember to go cop these LED lights down below. Jack, you've done amazing with this, and thank you for sponsoring me to do this video. I definitely think you guys should go check him out. Go follow him on his socials. I'll link it all below, and there's some pictures on the screen. And that's all from me today guys. I'm hoping in the next video that we will be putting this spoiler on. I've got the tiger seal that we need, so it's going to be tiger sealed and bolted down, and hopefully it goes well for my first time. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below guys, and if you want to see any specific content that I haven't uploaded yet and you want to see, then comment down below. I hope you did enjoy guys, and don't forget to leave a like if you liked it guys, and a dislike if you genuinely didn't like it and you just think anything could be better. But I will see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.